Hi everybody, I'm Brian Azzano, and I'm speaking to you from the stand of Stealth Acoustics in Hall 5, number R96. And this year we're showing some pretty cool new products. One of the first things I'd like to talk to you about is our entry into the large format outdoor LED TV market. So we offer three massive large TVs. They are all LED based screens. So the first that we'll talk about this year is the Transformer. The Transformer is a revolutionary folding TV, retracted down into a fiberglass waterproof housing when it's not in use. This is a fantastic large format solution for luxury yachts or deck top, home and garden applications. The original patio theater, now dubbed the Extreme, is offered in four sizes: the 103-inch, 130, 155, and 184, and this screen retracts down into its weatherproof enclosure. This is a great solution for the client that wants the elegant large format TV to rise up out of their garden. Every one of the patio theater systems is available with full surround sound capabilities and includes all electronics to be able to operate properly. So each unit comes with an electronic rack that you install at the head end of the system, and that contains all amplification for speakers, screen scaling and processing, and power conditioning, and anything else that you'd need to operate this. This is designed to be a drop-in-place, turnkey solution. Now, beyond the motorized displays, the folding and the retractable, we also offer just the large format screen that we call the Megalith. Now, the Megalith is designed to reach massive sizes, all the way ranging up to true 4K, which is 339 inches in diagonal display. The Megalith also features the ability to have sound included as well in the form of the world's largest soundbar. This is a 3.1 weatherproof soundbar that is modular in design and can be added or subtracted from the build to the client's desires. So stop by our booth, Hall 5, number R96. Check out some of the new offerings we have in the world of LED large format outdoor TVs.